Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about jobs and occupations. Businesswoman, postman, policeman, waiter, milkman, seaman, doctor, tractor driver, nurse, salesman, farmer, butcher, referee, teacher, fashion designer, surgeon, hunter, fisherman, milkmaid, photographer, soldier, miner, builder, carpenter, painter, mechanic, delivery woman, engineer, lawyer, accountant, journalist, artist. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.